Dear student, in nomenclature of organic compound, today we will discuss functional group, that is aldehyde and ketone. The suffix of aldehyde and representation of aldehyde. The aldehyde represented by CHO. Dear student, the suffix of aldehyde is al. But when the carbons of aldehyde is not counted in the parent chain, that is PCC, then you say or write the name carbaldehyde. And the prefix, that is oxo. When CHO treated as substituent, then use prefix oxo. Dear student, you use oxo or formyl as a prefix. Okay, student? Dear student, here one carbon present in CHO. In common name, one carbon is known as pharma. So here aldehyde group, so it is known as formaldehyde. But the IUPAC name, according to IUPAC name, here one carbon, so we write methane at methane. Here aldehyde group, so write al. Methanol is the name of this compound. Always write first letter capital in the naming of organic compound and do not give the space between them. Okay. Now discuss this question. Here principal functional group, that is COH, is present. Dear student, the structures of CHO is COH. Here CHO group is present. So counting starts from here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Here 4 carbons. For the 4 carbons you write butane at the first position. Aldehyde group are present. We count the first carbons of aldehyde group. So write here al. Butanol. Here butanol. Okay, friends. Now discuss here a CHO group and multiple bonds are present in this compound. You know that the priority of the functional group is more than the priority of multiple bond. So counting start from the principal functional group 1, 2, 3. In this compound there are 3 carbons are present. So write here prop. At the second position, dual bond present. So write here propene. At the first position, aldehyde group present. So write here first al. Okay, propene, prop 2 in first al, or it also write here because the positions of one are not necessary to represent. So write here prop 2 anal. Okay. Now here discuss another example. Here also aldehyde group and a multiple bond. Counting start from the functional group. So start here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 carbon. So write here but for 4 carbons. At the second place dual bond. So write here 2 in. At the first position aldehyde group, so write here al, but it is not necessary to write first position al. So write here ethanol, butanol. Okay, I think you understand about the aldehyde group, the counting of the carbons and writing the name. Here a small rule is if CHO group is treated as substituent. In some case, if CHO is treated as substituent, dear student, then if carbon of CHO group is included in PCC and in parent carbon chain, then use oxo prefix. Okay, use oxo prefix But if carbons of CHO is not included in PCC, then use formyl. Then use formyl as a prefix. Then use formyl as a prefix. Formyl or oxo used when CHO treated as substituent, but the formyl prefix used when carbon of the CHO is not counted in PCC, and oxo are used when carbon of aldehyde counted in PCC. Okay, student. For example, in this example, here carboxylic group present and here aldehyde group are present. Dear student, you know that the priority of carboxylic group is higher than the priority of aldehyde group. So, carboxylic group treated as principal functional group and aldehyde treated as substituent. You know that we write suffix of principal functional group and prefix of substituent. So, if we apply for this rule. If we counting start from principal functional group 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. In this compound, we are counted the carbon of aldehyde. So, write the oxo prefix of the aldehyde. The prefix oxo situated at the fourth place. So, write here fourth oxo, and number of carbon here. 4 carbon. So, write here but, and here carboxylic group. So, write here butanoic acid. Okay, student. Now discuss another example. In this example, again carboxylic group and aldehyde group. You know that carboxylic group is a principal functional group, so counting start from the carboxylic group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this compound, counting of carbons of aldehyde is not possible. So we remove the carbons of aldehyde. When you remove the carbon of aldehyde, dear student, then you use the formyl as a prefix. So we write the prefix formyl for the aldehyde. Here the position of aldehyde is third, so write here third formyl. Number of carbon 5, but here one thing also, here at the fourth position methyl group also present. So write fourth methyl. Number of carbon 5. So write here pentane. Here carboxylic group. So write here oic acid. Okay, student. The name of this compound, third formyl, fourth methyl pentanoic acid. Dear student, now discuss ketone. About ketone, the representation of ketone in a carbonyl group. With carbonyl group, 2 alkyl group are attached. Dear student, ketone always in center of compound. Okay, in middle of the compound. So for the counting, it is not necessary. Counting start from the ketone, but it is necessary that ketone take lowest number. Counting start in the manner ketone take lowest number, lowest locant, lowest position. Okay. The suffix of ketone is -one and prefix of ketone is oxo or ketone. Dear student, here a compound given. In this compound 1, 2, 3 carbons present. The common name of this compound is acetone. This is the famous compound of ketone. But IPC name start from here. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are present. So write here prop for 3 carbons. Single bond for single bond N, and for ketone use ON. If ketone present at second position, it is not necessary to represent their locate. Okay. In this question, here also a ketonic group present, and here multiple bond. Dear student, it is not necessary that you counting start from the ketone, but ketone take a lowest number. Okay, so start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of carbon 5. Right here pent. At fourth position double bond. So right here in. Here on second position. So right here 2 on. Or you write 2 on or 2 on are not necessary to represent. Okay. Next, here two type of functional group are present. Here carboxylic group and here ketonic group. Dear student, you know that the priority of carboxylic group is greater than the priority of ketonic group. So write the name. So we use the prefix of ketonic group and suffix of the carboxylic group. We have the two type of prefix, oxo or keto. As aldehyde, no any official rule for the writing oxo and keto. So as your wish, you write oxo or keto. Okay. So for the naming this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here fifth position oxo is present. So I write here fifth oxo, fifth oxo, 6 carbon. So write here X. No multiple bond. So write here N. At first position oic acid. So write here oic acid. So name of the compound 5-fifth oxo hexanoic acid. Or if you want to write keto, then you write keto, 5th keto hexanoic acid. Okay, student. I think that you understand about the functional group aldehyde, naming of aldehyde and ketone. In next video, we will discuss the functional group like amines, alcohol, etc. Thank you very much.